Hello students, welcome to Minutes of Maths. In today's class, we are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 1.1 class 10. In this question, we need to find out the HCF of given two numbers by using division algorithm. Already we have seen what is algorithm, what is lemma and how to find out the HCF of given two numbers in the introduction class, and the first part also I have already solved in the introduction class. I will give you the link in the description box. You can check it later. First recall what is division lemma. What is division lemma? Division lemma is A is equivalent to BQ plus R, where A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, R is remainder. Got it? Where R should be greater than or equal to 0 or lesser than B. You can check if you done any division work, you can check the remainder. It will always be lesser than the divisor or equal to greater than the 0. So this is the division lemma. Now we are going to follow the steps, which is algorithm. Already we know algorithm means it is a set of steps to be followed to do some problem. Got it? So here what we need to do, we need to find out the HCF of. First we'll solve third part and then we will do second part. First step, you need to divide greater number by the smaller number. Here you can see they have given two numbers. We need to find the HCF of these two numbers. For that, first step is you need to divide the greater number by the smaller number. So you can write like this: 8, 6, 7, which is equivalent to 255. Why we are writing like this? We have to write in this format. In your book, it will be solved like this only. So that I am writing these steps. Okay. Before that, first we'll complete the division work and then we will write the steps like this. Okay. 8, 6, 7. We are going to divide this number by 255. Isn't it? You can see. So this is the dividend. This is the divisor we have got. We have taken. You can see in according to this formula, A is 867 here, B is 255 here. Now we need to find out the divisor and the remainder, quotient and the remainder, sorry. So now we can check, we need to find the multiples of 255 which should be lesser than or equal to 867. It is already 255, no? So we can go with the 3 times. 2 times will be very lesser than this, so that we are going with the 3. 3 5s are 15, 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now we have to subtract this both. After subtraction, what we will get? 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 6 0, and then 8 minus 7 1. Now you can see we haven't get the remainder 0. We should have to do the same steps until the remainder should be 0. Got it? So here how we can take this 255 is not divide 867 perfectly, so that we are going to divide this number by the remainder 255. Got it? Now we have to find the quotient for this. Here the divisor is 102, divided in 255. So what is the quotient we can take? Again we can go with now we can go with the 2 times because it is 102. We should have to go with the 2 times. So 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. After subtraction, what we will get? 5 minus 4, 1, 5. Here 2 minus 2, 0. No need to write that. See, in this step also we haven't get the remainder 0. So again what we are going to do? We are going to divide before divisor, this one, by the remainder 51. Now you can see 2 times of 51 is 102 upon 0 after subtraction, isn't it? In this step we have got a remainder 0. Remainder is 0. So since the remainder is 0, we can take this divisor. This divisor is the HCF of these two number. So this divisor only gives the remainder 0. So that this is the HCF of given two number. We will write the steps in the like this only in your book they have written. So that I am doing this. See 867 which is equivalent to 255. What is the quotient for this? This is 3. Remainder is 102. So 3 plus 102. In the next step we have taken 255 is divisor. See 255 is divisor and the quotient is 102. Sorry, divisor is 102 and divisor, quotient and the remainder 2 and 51. In this step also we have been get remainder 0, so that we have taken this divisor as dividend and the remainder as divisor, and then we have done the division work furthermore. For this the divisor quotient is 2 plus 0. In the third step we have got a 0. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. In third step we have got remainder 0. In this step what is divisor? 51 is divisor, isn't it? So the HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Like this you need to do. If you haven't get the remainder 0 here, you need to do furthermore. Got it? Now we will move on to second part. Now we'll do second part. In second part, what is the bigger number? 38,220. So first steps we need to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Here we are writing in the form of Euclid's division lemma, which is A is equivalent to BQ plus R. Here dividend A and this is divisor multiplied Q we need to find. Let's find out. 196. The divisor there are 3 digits, so we also have to take 3 digit, isn't it? Now we have to check which multiple of 196 is lesser than or equal to 382. We can go with the 1 time. If we go with the 2 time, that will be more than 382, isn't it? So we'll go with the 1. So 1 into 196 is 196 only. After subtraction we will get 12 minus 6, 6, 17 minus 9, 8, and then 2. Next we'll drop down the next number 2. Now we can go with the 9 because this is 3 digit number and this is 4 digit number, that too near to 2000. So we can go with the 9. 9 6 are 54, 5. 9 nines are 81, 81 plus 5, 86, 8, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8, 17. After subtraction, we'll get 12 upon 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 15 minus 6, 9. That's it. 7 minus 7, 0. This is also 0. Now we need to drop down this number. Now this is also 3 digits and this is also 3 digits. So we can go with here it is 0. No, here it is 6. So we can go with the 5. Then only we will get the unit digit 0. 5 6 are 33. 30 and 3. 9 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48. 4. 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. See, in a single step we have got remainder 0. So the divisor is quotient is 195, divisor is 0. So what is the divisor in this step? This is the divisor. So HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196. That's it. This way you need to do. Thank you. Thank you for watching.